At the moment, you can quite happily walk into a shop or go online and legally buy yourself an e-scooter in the UK. But what I want to do in this video is to look at what the current law around using your e-scooter in the UK is. So at present, e-scooters like this one, under the Road Traffic Act 1988, are actually classed as motor vehicles. Well, in particular, powered transporters. Now that's because they have no pedals, 2 wheels and a throttle. Well, this unfortunately means they can't be used on public roads and public spaces. You can actually only legally ride an e-scooter on private land with consent. Clearly, this law is from 1988 and quite a lot has changed since then. So what the government has been doing? Well, they've been trialling e-scooter usage in certain parts of the UK since 2021. A decision on the outcome of these trials was actually due in 2024, but this has now been pushed back to May 2026. And there is a wide belief that the outcome of these trials is that e-scooters will be legalised. And the way this will be done is by creating a new category of vehicle within the Road Traffic Act 1988. Now, there are already some guidelines in place for specs that e-scooters will need, and these are fitted with an electric motor with a maximum continuous power rating of 500 watts and not fitted with pedals that are capable of propelling the vehicle, is designed to carry no more than 1 person, has a maximum speed not exceeding 15.5 miles per hour, has 2 wheels, 1 front, 1 rear, has a mass of no more than 55 kilograms, including the person, has means of directional control via the use of handlebars that are mechanically linked to a steering wheel, and has means of controlling the speed via hand controls and a power control that defaults to the off position. And you end up in this funny situation at the moment whereby you could say e-scooters are legally illegal. This is clearly a shame, because e-scooters are such a great mode of transport for those short journeys. In fact, this one has a range of, I think, 56 miles, which is huge. And I think that's actually even more than the mileage my sister-in-law's hybrid Mini Cooper has. I think that's only 30 miles. And especially because they are becoming legal in more and more countries. In fact, in Ireland, they were just made legal back in, I think, May 24. And then hopefully in May 2026, we will see that new category added to the Road Traffic Act, which will make e-scooters legal on public spaces, public roads, and not just private land with consent. And in case you're wondering, this is private land. Not sure about the consent bit though.